Hi everybody, guess what? Look at this. Cowabunga Bay Water Park has made huge improvements on their construction. The release date for the Cowabunga Bay Water Park is July 4th, 2014, which is Independence Day, so obviously you do that in the daytime, and nighttime you light fireworks. So anyway, as you can see here, they have made huge strides with their construction. If you can see it. And it looks like they are building a water slide here. Let's see if I can zoom in. There. You can see that. Alright. That says there, lifeguard on duty, and yep, you can see close-up of that. And you can see those water slides over there. And you can see the chairs there. There's some workers, there's some construction workers over there. And look at this. Okay, keep driving by, Dad. Let's just get to the point where we see the pool. And I apologize, I haven't uploaded a video in a while. Just me being very lazy and not uploading my bowling league videos. I apologize, it's been a while. So, let's see if we can see the pool. There it is. The people are swimming in there right now. And once again, the release date for the water park is July 4th. So yeah, that's the release date. So, hope this won't be as disappointing as Wet n Wild Las Vegas. And that's it.